Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Nihal's Lab Notes. In this video, I'm going to share with you a Tableau portfolio project. So let's get started. Here I'm going to work with same superstore datasets that we have used in the previous video. So let's go to first sheet and let's create a funnel charts here. A funnel chart is a specialized chart type that demonstrates the flow of users through a business or sales process. At first, let's drag and drop cells into rows, segments into color, then cells into size, and segments into label, and cells into labels. So let's choose the entire view here, and as you see here, a funnel charts. So here, as you see, we have this numbers of cells of consumer, and here also we have number of cells of corporate, and here's the number of cells of home office. So I'm going to update this number of cells to a percentage. To do this, I'm going to sum cells here, choose quick table calculation and click to percent of total. And here's the percentage of each of the three categories. You can also change the format of each of this percentage. To do this, just go to sum of cells, choose format, go to numbers, choose percentage and update to I0. And here's the percentage of each category, 51% of consumer, as you see here. So this is a funnel chart. So now let's open a new sheet and call it with field map. So in Tableau we have two types of maps. As you see here, we have symbol maps and field maps. So to create a field maps, we need one geographical dimension, 0 or more dimensions, 0 or 1 measure here. So I'm going to choose state to detail, country to detail, and cells to are not cells, profit to color, and this is called a field map. As you see, we can also put states into labels and cells into labels. So in this map, you can see the cells, the number of cells for each state. We can also update this number of cells to a percentage. To do this, just click to quick table calculation here, choose the percent of total, and change the format here, click to percentage and units. So here's a field map. A field map is a chart type in which different geographic territories can be presented on the map with areas colored based on a measured or dimension. Now let's create a Lollipop chart here. So to do this, just go to subcategories, drag and drop into columns, and take cells, put it into rows, choose twice, then go here, choose dual axis, then click into some cells too, and choose bar. Then click here and go here, size, and we can say that this is a Lollipop chart. The Lollipop chart is a composite chart with bars and circles. As you see, it's a variant of the bar chart with a circle at the end. To highlight the data value, Like a bar chart, a lollipop chart is used to compare categorical data. The length of the bar measures the magnitude. So now let's create a waterfall chart here. Okay, so drag and drop subcategories into columns and sum of cells into rows, then sorted with ascending. Go to sum of cells here, quick table calculation, and choose the running total. Go to marks section here, automatic, and select the grant bar. Now I'm going to click here, select create. I'm going to create a calculated field. This calculated field is called negative cells and it's minus cells. Save. So then this negative cells, I'm going to put it into size. And this is called a waterfall chart here, as you see. It's so simple to create it. So waterfall charts effectively display the cumulative effect of sequential positive and negative values. It shows where value starts, ends, and how it gets there incrementally, so it will be very easy to understand both the values. Tableau needs one dimension and one measure to create a waterfall chart. So now let's create a Pareto chart. So the name is derived from the name of the Italian economist Alfredo Pareto. He observed that 80% of wealth belonged to 20% of the population. So businesses use the same principle to identify the 20% of the consumers who account for 80% of sales. So to create this, we need to put subcategories into columns and cells into rows twice. Then go to sums of cells and choose the dual axis here. So the first axis is a bar and the second is a line. So we need to convert the secondary vertical axis into a percentage and cumulative sum of total. So go to sum of cells, add table calculation here, and choose the running total here. Check add secondary calculation and choose the percent of total here. Then select this axis of cells and sort it with descending. So as you see, bars are represented in descending order and represents individual values, whereas line charts represents the cumulative percentage or running total to the total value. Now let's create an interactive dashboard. So let's click here to create a new dashboard. First of all, let's choose floating and click to image to add an image here. Choose. I've already choose an image here. Yeah, it's okay. Then click to size and choose automatic. Resize it like this. It's gonna be more visual. Okay. So let's start with funnel charts. Let's put it here. Okay. Then let's select this information and put it here. Then let's select field map, put it here, change the size of this map here, select the profits and put it here to be more effective. Then click into Lollipop, put it here. You can put it wherever you want, okay? Then the waterfall charts, put it here. Besides this, Pareto charts. Change the title, select all, and change the color white and the size 20. Apply the center, apply, and okay. It's not really visible, so this color, I think it will be more visible. Yeah, so okay. I'm going to change this center. The color is with green. 20. Apply. It's not visible really, so apply. Okay. Then change the lollipop type here into center 20 and change the color. Apply. It's not visible. It's also not visible with white, so it's okay. Then Pareto charts, be in the center and change the color. I don't know, into red, I think. Apply. Yeah, it's visible, and resize it into 20. Apply, and okay. And this is our dashboard. Now let's add a title here. Select floating. Change the size. Of the title here. And update it. So let's rename it with Tableau Portfolio Project number 2. Select all and resize it here with 22 and the center with black. Apply. Okay, let's just put it down here, this, and it's here to be more visible. And here's the title of our dashboard. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and to see more content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Nihal's Lab Notes. See you in the next videos, inshallah.